I want to share this analysis on wheat because I think there is a potential for a nice move to the upside. Something big, of course, something like this. Yeah, a movement like this, like this. If you look at here, it's really similar to it's the same fucking pattern. Oh my fucking god. Look, we have a base, it broke, it backtested, it went ape shit, and then it backtested again, it made a wedge, double bottom, boom. Okay, undercut. So here people started shorting. Let's see if they started shorting here. Yeah, look at large speculators in blue started shorting here. The shortest they have been ever. There is no data before. Okay, anyway. The shortest they have been, boom. Yeah, this here. And that fueled a 240% move. Okay, and if we see the setup here, they are again very, very, very short. Now, it could give a setup. It could give a setup. The setup could be from here or from here, I don't know. The goal is not to buy low. I'm not a bottom fisher. The goal is to buy right from tight, low risk entry points. Now let's look at coffee. Coffee also could give a setup. Mm, here's specs. Oh, okay. Specs here are not are not short. Okay. Do you know why speculators do you know what listen, imagine all these speculators will have to cover their short position. They are very short. Look, look how many contracts. You know the dollar value, nominal value here in dollars? If they have to cover, they are short and they realize that they are losing money and they should get flat. They will buy, and their buying will just send this ape shit. Ape shit. Listen, if I hide that this is wheat, you will think this is VIX. It's so volatile, this shit. Doesn't it look like the VIX? Yeah. This one, this one too. This one will be a massive winner for this year. This is what I would like to see develop. I want to see this pattern morph into some larger base, like this one drawn here. That's what I want to see. Then the breakout will be just something huge, like Nvidia. Okay, I want to show you the pattern I want to see. Yeah, this is what I want to see. This one. If we measure this, 22%. In PLTR, it's 50%. You see that? You see that? Boom. If it explodes, if it breaks from here, there is no pullback. People here, pullback buyers, they wait for pullbacks, but it never comes. The best horses don't look back. Don't go back to the starting line. So boom, 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 boom. There's another setup here. It's a hidden setup that I only teach for mentees, paying mentees. That's a special gap that only that provide a huge edge. Okay. Boom. There are a lot of opportunities that are coming. Duolingo. Yeah, this one very strong. Core wave. My mentor bought it from here. He made 100% in this move on his money. 100%. 100% in just one trade and 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 2 weeks only. These are the moves. This one out from the watch list. Yeah. Yeah. I just wanted to see how BTC is acting. Do you guys that I called the bottom here and I called the buy here? I'm gonna show you. Yeah, look at this. April 8th, Bitcoin will fly, fly, fly at the time you least expect it. That was What date? April 8. This is April 8. You see the date here? 8 April 2025 here. And then 21 April, BTC is getting ready to soar. April 21. Yeah, that was on that day that it broke out and never looked back. That's just up, sideways, up, sideways. Really, really strong. Really. Do you want to learn this fucking art? This magic?
Woman, this is real power. How is magic related to pickup? Well, you've never met a magician. Otherwise, that wouldn't be a question. If you ever met someone who could actually do it, the question wouldn't be, how is it related? The question would be, how do I do what you do? And that's not visible to you guys yet, but that's because you haven't looked yet. So come to Vegas.